Hey everyone, welcome back. Ever try to open a game or app and get slapped in the face with? The code execution cannot proceed because VCRUNTIME140.dll was not found? Annoying, right? Don't panic, your PC isn't dying and your files aren't gone. That error is super common and usually fixable in a few minutes. In this video, I'll show you the easy, safe way to get things working again. VCRUNTIME140. DLL is a part of the Microsoft Visual C Redistributable. Think of it like a shared tool belt that lots of apps borrow for common tasks. If that tool belt is missing or busted, the app doesn't know what to do and just quits. Pretty rude. Quick rule of thumb, don't download a single DLL from some random website. Those files can be outdated or contain malware. The right fix is to install Microsoft's official package, the Visual C Redistributable. I'll show you exactly where to get it. Open your browser and go to Microsoft's official download page for the Visual C Redistributable. I'll put the link in the description below. Look for latest supported Visual C Redistributable. You'll see two installers, x86 for 32-bit programs and x64 for 64-bit programs. Pro tip, even on a 64-bit Windows PC, a lot of apps are 32-bit. So download and install both the x86 and x64 versions to cover all bases. Trust me, it saves headaches. Run the installers. Accept the license and let them install. Restart your PC. Some things need a reboot to register properly. Try opening the app again. In most cases, that's it, problem solved. Extra note, copying a single DLL from another PC can sometimes work, but its risky version mismatches and registration issues often cause more trouble. Use the redistributable installer so everything's the correct version and properly registered. Recap, don't grab random DLLs from sketchy sites. Install the official Microsoft Visual C Redistributables, both x86 and x64. Restart and you should be back in business. If this helps, hit that like button and subscribe for more handy tech tips. Thanks for watching.